Let's talk about goals. They're not just fleeting thoughts, they're the seeds of your future. They are your secret superpower, the engine that drives you forward. Every amazing thing started as a dream, a spark of possibility in someone's mind. But dreams need nurturing. They need a plan to grow into something real. Goals are your roadmap. They're showing you where to go, step by step. Without them, you're just wandering, adrift in a sea of possibilities without a clear destination in sight. And you might never reach where you truly want to be. A goal isn't just a wish, it's a promise to yourself, a commitment to take action and make something happen. Setting goals gives you purpose. It builds confidence as you see yourself making progress, and it proves to yourself that you can do hard things. Think of goals like Lego instructions, a clear guide to building something amazing. You need a plan, not just a pile of scattered pieces. With clear goals, your choices become easier, and your energy goes where it matters most. So let's get started on mapping out your dreams. So how do you make a goal you can actually reach? Use the SMART method. S is for specific. Be clear about what you want. M is for measurable. Track your progress. A is for achievable. Make sure it's realistic. R is for relevant. Pick goals that matter to you. T is for time-bound. Set a deadline. For example, I will raise my science grade from a C to a B by the end of this semester. That's a goal you can measure, achieve, and celebrate. SMART goals turn wishes into real plans. Ready to set your own? Big goals can feel overwhelming and unattainable. It's easy to get discouraged when faced with a monumental task. It feels like standing at the bottom of a mountain, wondering how you'll ever reach the top. The trick? Break those big goals into small, manageable steps. Think of it as creating a staircase to the summit. Each small win builds momentum and confidence, fueling your motivation to keep going. For example, if your goal is to achieve a B in science, a mini goal could be finishing your homework every night this week, or asking your teacher one question if you're confused about a concept. Don't be afraid to seek clarification. Let's look at Maya. She wanted to save $100 for a skateboard, a goal that seemed daunting at first. So she saved $5 a week and diligently tracked her progress. Little steps add up to big results. Every achievement, no matter how small, moves you closer to your dream. Write down 3 small, actionable things you can do this week to move closer to your goal. And remember to celebrate each one. Acknowledge your progress. You're climbing your mountain, step by step, and with each step, you're getting stronger. That's how big dreams become a tangible reality. You've set your goal and broken it down into manageable steps. Now, how do you stay on track and maintain that momentum? Track your progress visually. Seeing your accomplishments laid out can be incredibly motivating. Use a chart or app to help you track your goals and celebrate milestones. Keep your goal visible, a constant reminder of what you're working towards. Share your goal with someone. Accountability can be a powerful tool. If your interests change, it's okay to adjust your goals. Growth is part of the journey. The key is to keep moving toward what excites you. Passion fuels perseverance. Take that first step and celebrate it. Acknowledge your progress no matter how small. Every step counts and you have the power to shape your future. You've got this. You are capable, resilient, and determined. Now go be brilliant.